I want to walk you through this major team project of the course that requires you to write a substantial report and give a video presentation about it, either using YouTube or using VoiceThread. Right now, classes seem to prefer VoiceThread. You will also be required to create a slide deck to support the findings of your report. Here are the main pieces under the requirements of the report. Notice that I have links with a lot of information to help you out. APA, the length, page numbers, font, sources, charts or graphs and tables, original, not cut from the internet, cite the charts and tables APA format, and there are a gazillion videos out there on how to create charts, graphs, tables in Word and Excel. Work division. 4 through 9 below, everybody has to participate. Why? You and I learn from others, and a final product is much stronger because of the team effort. Inevitably, someone asks that they want to work alone, and inevitably, if I allow that, their work is very poor because they haven't been able to bounce ideas around. I would suggest you use Word Online rather than Google, because Google Docs is difficult to convert to Word, and now you can do everything Word Online that you've been able to do with Google. It's quite an improvement. Here's the organization, and it has to be in this order. A title page, page break, table of contents, page break, a list of the charts and visuals, such as this. This would be you. Do not put the charts and the visuals here. The charts and the visuals belong in the body of the paper. Page break. Then here's what everybody will participate in. The executive summary, introduction, definition, research methods and findings, conclusions. So here you'll state the question or problem, the answer that you found, and a preview of what you will share in the report. Definition of terms. This is the research method used in the report. You use secondary research. Plenty of links here to help you. This is important, right here. This is the main body, the findings, then your conclusions and or recommendations. Page break, references. Some last semester student team used mind mapping tool. Interesting. And of course, there's smart art in Microsoft, in PowerPoint. Now, what are your topics? I list 19 potential topics here. But if none of these appeal to you, you can holler with your own proposal. Generally, I have the question, the research question, an article to start you out or two. I define the problem. I give you the research question, and I give you terms to define. So, holler if you have questions.